Hi everyone, my name is Rian from ARdeco. On today's project, we're going to be tackling a bathroom storage that looks like it needs some love. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be organizing it and we're going to make it really tidy the right ARdeco way.
As per usual, we're going to use bins, but we have another item that we're going to use, which is the riser. If you have a closet that is pretty high and can accommodate two bins stacked up together, right on top of each other, use a riser.
I'm going to show you how this looks like.
Before you use your bins, make sure you sanitize and clean it. Project is done of organizing the closet under the sink. So here it is. Thank you for watching. Until the next project.